Good morning, this is Sandy from our Wee Tennessee homestead. It's been a while since you've seen us because of some health issues that I've been having, but wanted to give you a quick update. This is Caramel, who is in the process of pulling more fur, and there is her nesting box where there are 11 nice warm squiggly little kits that she gave birth to last night. She had a 12th one that didn't make it that I had to pull today. So what I wanted to talk to those of you that have never had rabbits before, that are looking at getting rabbits, it is important that you check them regularly after they've had their kits, because if you have one that doesn't make it, you need to go ahead and pull that one right away for a couple different reasons. Number one, its body heat is going to go down to cold, and you don't want the cold from the body heat from that one affecting the others. Number two, you don't want a dead one that's starting to decompose and stuff, obviously, with the other ones. And in the wild, of course, that would also attract predators. So you can see, if you've never seen a rabbit pull their fur before, they pull it from various different places. They grab a hold of it with their teeth, and they actually pull their own fur out, and they use that as the lining for the nest. I'm not gonna go ahead. I've already pulled the kits out once this morning to look at them, so I'm not gonna do that again. But because it's cold. It was 32 outside, and we do have it up to 43 in here. We do run a heat lamp in the bunny bunker, not out in the chickens. It's too dangerous out there. But anyway, I wanted to give you a quick update. I apologize for lack of video. I was bedfast for several days and having a lot of health issues and stuff, so just wasn't able to get out here. But thankfully Tim was able to take care of everything. So we will get some more videos out, and we'll talk to you again. Thanks for joining us on our Wee Tennessee homestead. Thanks.